Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. May I introduce myself? My name is Henry Wu. You can call me Henry. I am 25 years old. My birthday is 10 August 2000. My height is 149 cm. My weight is 46 kg. I am Myanmar. I'm Christian. I'm single. I have no allergy. My education is high school level. I can speak simple English. I have 8 people in my family. They are mother, younger sister, and uncle, auntie, 2 cousin brother, and 1 cousin sister, and me. I am number 1. I have experience 3 years in Oman. I can do all the housework, cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing, and all general housework. I know how to cook Chinese foods, ABC soup, chicken curry, fish curry, vegetable curry. I can take care of elderly child and baby. I want to come in Singapore because I want to support my family and for my future. If you give me a chance, I will try my best. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.